Hey guys, how you doing? December 26, 2021, day after Christmas, guys. I hope you guys had a great Christmas. Hope you guys had a lot of love yesterday and just, got to spend time with the people who matter to us. The people who truly are there for us through everything, through the ups, the downs, the great, the bad, the ugly, the beautiful, the okay, I guess. We need to put love first, guys. We need to make sure that we put love first before anything else, and that we need to make sure that love is the thing that drives us every decision we make, guys. If we put love in front of everything we do, we will treat others better. We will be better people. We will be better fathers, better men, just better all around human beings. I mean, if we all just treat each other with love first, this would be such a great life. It just kind of goes back to that old saying, guys. Treat others as you would want others to treat you. Goes the same with the people you love. Treat other people the way you would want other people to treat your loved ones. Love them. Be good. Yeah, they're gonna bother us. Yeah, they're gonna do things that we disagree with. But there's no reason to have hate. No reason to wish bad upon somebody. If we put love first, guys, this world will just fix itself. It literally would just fix itself, because when you love other people, when you appreciate other people's lives as they should appreciate yours, we all move forward, guys. We really all move forward. But nonetheless, guys, I hope you guys had a great Christmas. As much as I want to spend that perfect life and be there, guys, the other part of life is bills, guys. We got to pay them bills. Back to work. Here back on that 79 Lincoln, trying to get back to that bad boy. Had another one come in today too, F250, that's having a hot nose start. I'm gonna go ahead and diagnose that probably tomorrow. Make some videos on that as well. But let me show you guys what's going on with this 79 Lincoln Continental. Hey guys, this thing's pretty. I mean, it is very well taken care of, guys. This thing is all original, and it just from what the customer was telling me, it just sat in a storage, in a climate control storage for decades, from some very wealthy owners, farm owners who just loved the vehicle, only used it here and there, and that was it. They took really good care of it, and my customer got a hold of it, and like I said, it hasn't been restored. The vehicle is all original. I mean, even the vacuum lines, you guys, look great. I mean, you can see some things that have a little bit of age on them. That's how you know it's original. But you can tell that a lot of parts have just survived over time. Nonetheless, guys, let me show you the car. Let me show you guys what's going on. All right, guys. So here's the car, guys. It is a beautiful car, guys. It is very well taken care of. Has a lot of just good positives. As you guys can see, I got all my contractions around it. There's my 73 IDI service truck. Can never say it enough, guys. I love that truck. I have a few of those actually service trucks, but nonetheless, as you guys can see, I have my little makeshift setup there. I got my usual fender covers to protect myself from scratching it all up, but I also got a bunch of these towels around it, guys, because this thing is enormous, guys. You can literally, this is like a king size bed. You can literally lay like two or three people in here, you guys. So it takes a lot of reaching over these things, and I don't want to scratch them all up. I don't want to be the guy to ruin them. You know what I mean? Also, guys, it's really windy today. It is horribly windy. Look at that. It is horribly windy today, guys. It's like 25 miles an hour. Look at that. Look at that palm tree. Look at that palm tree, guys. That wind's going to town on that palm tree. It gets really crazy sometimes. I mean, crazy, guys, where you can actually see the dust just flying around everywhere. Right now, it's just uncomfortable. But nonetheless, guys, this thing is immaculate, guys. This thing's carrying a 6.6 liter Ford 400 cubic inch displacement engine. Again, all original, guys. Look at it. All original. Look at that. Look at those vacuum lines, guys. Those are vacuum lines. They look great. Look at them. Even the power steering hoses look great. I mean, they look great. Obviously, it does have some problems right here. You guys see, that's one of the repairs. It's going to be the one of the power steering pressure lines starting to seep out of the crimps. Also down there, it's also happening down there, guys. And then you're also getting valve cover leaks right there. See that? That's the valve cover. See, it's getting all over the transmission down there, or it's been getting over the transmission down there. Another interesting thing, guys. I did not know this. Don't let me act like I knew this, but this is a 79, and it carries a hydro booster, a hydraulic brake booster. So, that's what comes in in today's Ford F250s, F350s, Chevy 2500s, 3500s, the Dodges 2500s, 3500s. Anything above that, it carries these hydro boosters. That is crazy. I mean, this thing's so enormous that it has to have a hydro booster. Nonetheless, guys. So, as you can see again, there's some things that'll show you a little bit of age, guys. You can see the age down there in them. The thing is very, very well taken care of, though. The interior is immaculate, you guys. The interior is just immaculate. Look at that. Immaculate, guys. So it's gonna end up getting an intake manifold gasket, timing chain cover gaskets, valve cover gaskets, those power steering hoses. I still need to check the actual suspension to see what else is gonna need down there. You guys can see down here in the intake manifold, there's some leaks going on in there. That looks like it's coming from possibly the actual carburetor leaking a little bit of fuel out. You guys can see it down there, but I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Let me go ahead and take this air filter housing off and everything, and show you guys what it looks like down there. See you guys in a second. All right, love you guys.